Welcome to another edition of Mini Me Crafts. Today we have a new swap kit for you. These beautiful ribbon flowers, and as beautiful as they are so easy to make, which is the best kind of craft. So this is the finished product, what it looks like, and your custom tag's gonna be on the back, and then you'll have a pin that you can put in one of the petals to hang. So here's how your kit's gonna look. Your kits are individually packaged for one swap. So just dump all your contents out. Just be careful things don't roll off because there's lots of small pieces. So what you're gonna find in your kit is 5 pieces of ribbon. And it may be hard to see at first, but it's a little harder it's a little easier on the back here. You can see they're pre-punched. There's gonna be 3 holes in each of the 5 ribbon pieces. You'll have buttons, you'll have your custom tag, and it's also got a hole in it. And then it looks what is an earring back with a post, and then a piece of 2-sided foam tape, and then your safety pin. So we're gonna put our safety pin aside for now, and our buttons and our tags, and our double-sided tape. We're just gonna take our ribbon and our earring, and we're gonna remove the post from the closer there. Just be really careful. It's a very, very, very small piece. And so you're gonna have this flat pin, okay? So you're gonna hold the pin and go upside down with your ribbon, and you're gonna put the first piece of ribbon in there in the very middle. And then you're gonna take the ends of that same piece of ribbon and also string them onto the earring or the pin, okay? So your back's gonna be back here, and you just need to hold it with a finger so the ribbon doesn't come off, okay? And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other 4, okay? So you're gonna do it upside down. You're gonna put it on the, there we go, on the ribbon there. And don't worry about spacing these out. They can overlap right on top of each other for now. And put it on there, that one, and then do this end. Okay, and just keep holding that bottom. Same thing with the next one. It's not gonna look like much of a flower until you're completely finished. Okay, and then the next one, flip it over, put it in the middle one in first, like that, and then loop it over. And it doesn't matter which side you loop over first either. These are so fun and easy to make. Okay, and then finally, you're gonna do the last one, and it's gonna get a little thick, so just make sure you're holding your bottom piece so it doesn't come off. Oops. That piece of ribbon's in my field of view. There you go. And this one. Okay. Now, to get it to stay all together, that's what your double-sided tape is for. Okay. So you're going to peel one end off of your foam tape, and you're going to just stick it right down through the earring until it pops out the other side. You could see right there, okay? And then you're gonna take off this end, or other side, okay? And then that is right where your tag's gonna go, okay? And that's gonna kind of keep everything held down for you, okay? And then you'll put in your little earring back, keep everything together. And even the earring back is shaped like a little flower, which is kind of cute. There we go. Now you can add a little glue if you want to before you put that earring back on, just to keep it in place if you'd like. You don't have to, but you can. And then you'll go to the other side, okay? And you see it doesn't look much like a flower. You're gonna end up spreading these out. And you'll take your buttons, and your big button will go first. And now it has, I put foam tape on the buttons as well. But if you'd rather glue, the foam tape raises the buttons a bit. Some people like that, some people don't. You can also glue, okay? So don't worry about that. You can do it either way. Foam tape is a little quicker. And then see, very easily just space those out the way you want them. And then the last thing you'll have to do, look at that pretty flower, is just do your safety pin onto one of your ribbons. And you won't have a tag on your safety pin for this swap because it's on the back. So there you go. And it's just beautiful, if I do say so myself. So yeah, these are pretty. The great thing too is each kit will come with a different ribbon. I just mix and match all different kinds. So you'll have different colors and different patterns, some solid, some print, but they are super cute. So you guys have lots of fun making these, and happy crafting.